Welcome to a lesson with Dr. Powell. Let's take a look at how we can use some log properties in order to expand or compress an expression with logarithms. Suppose we have something like log base 2 of a times b cubed times the square root of c, and maybe to top it all off, we have divided by d times e. How can we work with this? What if we want to use logarithmic properties in order to expand this as much as possible? Well, let's start big here. You see a division, right? So this means we can use a property with division. Just rewrite this as log base 2 of a b cubed square root of c minus log base 2 de. Great. Now we see multiplications. So let's just work this one at a time. This bit and this bit. So for the multiplications, we can write this. The multiplications on the inside become pluses on the outside. Log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of b cubed, that's a cube, b cubed, plus log base 2 of square root of c. Then we have minus. Now keep this bracketed here. All right, this will be log base 2 of d plus log base 2 of e, where we had addition with the multiplication and we kept it inside the brackets, so we have the minus outside. Of course, the minus can distribute inward. Okay, so let's finish this off. No, well, this looks pretty simple, but this one, we have another property. See this 3 up top? It can come down. So we can think, we'll write at the top, log base 2 of a plus 3 log base 2 of b. Now, do you see this square root of c? Think of it as c to the 1/2. That 1/2 can come down in front. So b, so plus 1/2 log base 2 of c. Now we can have minus log base 2 of d minus log base 2 of e. And we have successfully expanded this log expression. Now let's look at one more example. What if we want to compress a log expression? Maybe we have something like 3 log base 2 of a, maybe minus 2 log base 2 of c, and minus 1/2 log base 2 of d. Okay, how do we proceed? Well, first, let's just work backwards from the properties. Let's put 3 up there. Here, a nice way of doing this is just thinking of this as that as a plus minus 2 times. So when you see a minus, actually you'll run into less errors if you treat it like a plus times a negative constant multiplied by. So do the same thing over here. So we're going to think of a plus and a minus there. All right. So that enables us just to pop these up on top. So we have so this will go up there and that'll go up there. So we're left with log base 2 of a cubed plus log base 2 of c to the negative 2 plus log base 2 of d to the negative 1/2. Now you see these pluses, they turn into multiplication on the inside. Log base 2 of a cubed times c to the negative 2 times d to the negative 1/2. And we've compressed it into one logarithm. We could continue to work with this. You see these negatives? Let's rewrite it as log base 2 of, and make a fraction, a cubed, and anything that's negative put on the bottom, c squared and d to the 1/2. And if we really want to write things with radicals, we could do this, log base 2 of a cubed over c squared times the square root of d. Thanks for watching.